Now from our Grand Haven Tower Camp, started the day with some sun. Rain, however, has moved into parts of West Michigan this afternoon.
But tomorrow could be our best bet for a completely dry day. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons is in the Weather Center with the first look at the forecast.
The rain has come and gone here in portions of West Michigan, but it was a very visual rain that came in this afternoon. Our own Lauren over in Saugatuck took a picture of another shelf cloud. This is 2 days in a row with those, and this is also the back edge of those wave clouds coming on in, called asperatus undulatus from Bob over there at Grand Haven. I guess the folks out there still looking at the catwalk and where they're going to put it, hopefully. We also got some video courtesy of Patty down in Saugatuck of that actual shelf cloud moving onshore. Again, it's very visual with all of these showers, but no thunderstorms here this afternoon. It looks like we will see that dry weather start to move in. Here's the rain we promised you for all of the area here this afternoon. It's raced on through the region. It's now focusing itself on the southern end of Kent County, and it will continue to push south toward I-94 during the evening hours. It should be south of I-94, though, by about 8 o'clock tonight. Then we got a dry Wednesday coming up. Plenty of sunshine, just a few fair weather cue right around the middle of the afternoon. But there's more rain on the way. You can see some of that moisture coming across Montana. That will be with us for Wednesday night. Temperatures cooled off down from the low 70s into the upper 50s. It's jacket weather this evening, but if you are going to be north of Grand Rapids, you will see skies clear here, or already become clear. It will be sunny tomorrow, but there'll be some rain very late Wednesday night through Thursday morning as a warm front goes through. That's why it's going to be humid Thursday. And then Thursday night, a cold front comes through with showers, and then that will end on Friday. What's ahead for the weekend? Well, it looks a lot better than last weekend. That's coming up a little bit later on.
We are looking ahead right now what could be a rainy, possibly stormy Thursday.
George is on the weather deck with a look at our chances of severe weather this week.
Pretty much just rain here for tomorrow night and Thursday morning, and then we'll repeat that again Thursday night, Friday morning. Kind of a double dose, pretty much like we saw here during the day today. Skies are going to be clearing, though. You're going to like what you're going to see. 13 weather ball is red. A little bit warmer weather ahead coming up on your Wednesday. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Skies will be clearing here very shortly. It's still raining out at the airport. You'll become partly cloudy there by 7 o'clock. Back up to 63. We're currently in the upper 50s, and we'll see our temperatures slowly fall down into the mid 50s under clear skies overnight tonight when it's going to become virtually calm. Check out the changeable weather from the Windmill Islands Garden over in Holland. Lots of sunshine. I think it's going to be a beautiful day all day long, but we did tell you that it would rain in the afternoon, and the clouds rolled in and it cooled off. The rain came down. Well, the skies are starting to clear over in the Holland area here in a little bit. You can see the sunshine on the northwest horizon, and by later on this evening, you'll think, what, it rained today? I didn't see it rain, but yes, the rain did come in very quickly. It's now passing south of the greater Grand Rapids area. You're going to focus on it through here. If you're heading down 131, once you get down to about M6, you're going to run into that rain, and generally along I-196, once you get west of about Jenison, you're going to run into that rain south of Holland, and even along I-96, once you get over toward the Lowell area, toward Ionia, you're still running into that rain, and you still haven't quite seen the bulk of the rain down in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, but that's going to be pushing through over the next couple of hours. So just about everyone getting some more rain. Some areas didn't get a lot over the weekend, but you definitely got some here today. Watch the temperatures drop as that front came on through, or the rain showers came through. This is the noon hour. We were at 71. At 1 o'clock, we were at 74 degrees. Then the showers started to come in, dropped quickly into the upper 50s. We dropped to 70 by 2 o'clock, and by 3 o'clock, we saw our temperatures drop all the way down into the low to mid 60s, and then they continued to drop with the showers down into the upper 50s. That's where we are right now, but we will see temperatures then warm up into the low to mid 60s, but you still might need a jacket here this evening if you're planning on being out for the next couple of hours, and definitely you're going to need a rain gear down to the south of Grand Rapids for the next couple. But we're going to be in this area tomorrow. Dry weather for Wednesday, and then Wednesday night we'll see some showers out here in the plains that will come on through very late Wednesday night. So any Wednesday evening activities should be just fine. Right now we're in the upper 50s, it's 70s and 80s to all the way around to the south of us. We're going to jump back into the upper 70s here during the day tomorrow, right around 78 or so. And then with those showers coming through on Thursday, that's a warm front pushing on through. It gets a little bit humid. Notice we'll be briefly in the low 80s That'll be the last of the 80s for a while, because then by Friday, when those showers come through Thursday night and Friday, we'll cool off into the 70s, and by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, highs may only be in the 60s. Out on Lake Michigan, those showers south end of the lake ending. Clear skies the rest of the night. Waves will be diminishing from 2 feet this evening down almost to calm to 1 foot. Low risk for rip currents down on the south end of the lake, but a moderate risk here this evening as the waves have been overturned by those showers coming in here this evening. And in terms of water temperatures today, they were generally in the upper 60s and low 70s across much of the region, and they'll continue to fluctuate around there as those winds stay out of the west next couple of days. Forecast then for tonight, look for skies to become clear. 50 up north for a low in Ludington. That's jacket weather. 55 further south. From up north, around 50 to 52 for lows. The winds will be very light out of the west here this evening. And the skies will be clearing south of Grand Rapids, but you've got evening showers. The winds will become calm, and overnight lows around 53 to 55. 2 rounds of rain. That will be late Wednesday night through Thursday morning. Another round of rain Thursday night through Friday morning. Then over the weekend will be dry for the most part. There may be a couple of showers that pop up around US 10 just south of there on Sunday, with highs around 70. 13 on target forecast. A cool 68 on Monday, 71 Tuesday. We push the showers out of Wednesday into next Thursday afternoon. It becomes a little bit more humid as we head toward the end of next week. Those highs will still only be in the 70s. We're going to wrap up the month on a cool note, guys.
Hey, that's not so bad, George.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.